In a false promise of marriage case, when the case is when both of the employees are working in the office, and the effects of the case are that the accused is a married person who's currently undergoing divorce proceedings, and the victim is working in the same office, and her statement is that it was done, the physical relations were based only on the consent given on the promise of marriage, and as soon as she realized that the other person is married, she has filed a false promise of marriage case. So, in such a case, what should be the defense of the accused and how he can get the case quashed? So, one should always understand there is a very thin line. That is the physical relations made on the consent that it will be fulfilled with the promise of marriage, or just the physical relations made with consent, only no promise of marriage. So, in such a case, when it's quite difficult to believe that when you're working in the same office space for the past 2 years and now you are saying that you didn't know about the status that the other person is married or not, it's not quite believable at the best. Second, what needs to be considered as a defense is that what is the documentary evidence available? What are the WhatsApp chats between the accused and the victim? Is there any chats which declares that there will be any promise of marriage, that we will get married in future, or declaring that he is married or not? So there is always a thin line, and that thin line has to be understand. There's a deep down research has to be done, why such case has been filed and what are the merits of the case. Every case is unique. You have to take every case on its merits and understand there is a thin line. Was the physical relation made on the consent of physical on the false promise of marriage or not?